Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Pre-Bell with Team William India. Today, October 18, 2023. A clear disclaimer that the registration granted by the SABI, the membership of BSL, and certification from NISM is in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide an assurance of return to investors. Investment in the security markets are subjected to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Okay, so Nifty as having a good move, like it is now clearly above it's the green and the red line. The green is the 21, the red is the 50 DMA. So we are comfortably above the 21 as well as the 50 DMA. Okay, so now if we move further ahead from here, agar yesterday's high, if we move above yesterday's high, we may see some continued momentum towards the 20K mark or even near the new all-time high. Right, but for that, I think we need to move above the yesterday's high. On the flip side, 50, 21 and 50 DMA can now act as a very good support. So 50 DMA is around 19,620. So maybe the 19,600 to 700. That entire 100 point might really provide a very good support to the market. And on the higher side, we might move towards the 20K mark again, 20 to 20,200 mark. Overall distribution day count is 5, a little bit higher, but the price action is very good in the market. Only one thing that is not that satisfactory is the volume section. It has been on a very lower side since last few days, though there were some selling on a little higher volume, which we have noted. So if market gives up 50 DM and now अभी 600 के नीचे एक बार बंद हो जाता है, then you need to be very cautious. क्योंकि अभी तो चलो ऐसा this indicates the consolidation after a very good rally. ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी एक अच्छा rally था 1000 point का. Now it indicates a bit of consolidation over here, but it should resume the rally और consolidate 2-4 दिन और. अभी यहाँ पे एक बार 50, 21 और 50 both were breached, and then we saw reversal. So now ideally we should move higher. If we again breach this 50 DMA or the previous low, right, we might see some sharp falls from there. But as of now, the price action is very good. A bit on the volume side, a little point of worry. But yes, broadly, it's going through the consolidation phase. So that is fine. So a lot of important results today: Wipro, IndusInd Bank, Bajaj Auto, Mindtree, LTI Mindtree, Bandhan Bank, etc. Even in the mid cap space segment, also Polycab, Shoppers Stop, बाकी ये सब results declare करेंगे. CanFin Home का Q2 PAT and NI beat estimates. PAT growth was more than 11%, while NI grew more than 25%. CIE's July-September quarter PAT zoomed 119% to 375 crore. So IRCTC and Zomato has tied up for delivery of pre-ordered meal through IRCTC portal. So this can be a bit positive news for both of them. हाँ, अभी सिर्फ 5 स्टेशन पे चालू किया है, but gradually they will move up to the all other stations as well. Syngene's Q2 FY24 PAT grew 14.2% YOY to 116 crore. Revenue grew 18.5%, while the margin contracted 30 bits. LTTS Q2 result beat on all the front. PAT grew 1.4% QOQ, revenue grew 3.7% QOQ. Margin contraction was just 10 bips, so it was lower than expectations. सब expect कर रहे थे थोड़ा ज़्यादा contraction होगा margin का, so it remained around 17%. Bajaj Finance was little below, or you can say it was in line to little below estimates. However, PAT growth was decent, around 28%, while NII grew around 30%. Global market flat, सब जगह US, Asia पूरा flat है. So US just closed unchanged. Even Nikkei and Kospi are trading just 0.1 to 0.2% lower. So SGX Nifty का भी वही हाल है, flat है. 19,800 के आसपास से ट्रेड कर रहा है. कल का क्लोजिंग भी फ्यूचर्स का वही था, 810 अराउंड. So it indicates a muted opening. If अगर कुछ हुआ नहीं अभी next few minutes में. So broadly, we might see 20-30 points here and there, not more than that, or it can be even lesser than that. Okay, the stock of the day. So we have selected Mastek today. So it's a very good base formation in the Mastek, as you can see. Right. What I like more about this base formation is the volume action during the base formation. देखो यहाँ पे जब पूरा base बन रहा था, the first point is it found support at 21 DMA. The green line देखो यहाँ पे support मिल रहा था. So that is first positive, +1. ठीक है. Second thing is when the consolidation was going on, the volume was very, very low. ठीक है. So that is the second plus, +1 again. और अभी जो लास्ट 2 दिन से यहाँ पे एक इंट्राडे रिवर्सल मारा, ठीक है. ड्यूरिंग द डे इट फेल बट अगेन रिबाउंड. ओके, high volume rebound, and again yesterday was a good high volume action comparatively. So this is indicates the right side of the base formation. Okay, so one more mark for that. So the base formation is perfect. Now let's see how this 4% it completes. 4% कैसे complete करता है ये देखना पड़ेगा. The other good thing about this thing is the fund holding. The fund holding is increasing. The ROE is of 18%. And look at the results of last few quarters. It's been excellent one. There's no doubt about it. The EPS strength is also good. The buyer demand is excellent. RS sideways move kar raha hai. Like if you see just before the base formation, there were blue dots. It was at new high. But now as the base was forming, it has not fall. Generally base बनता है तो you might see the RS might fall. But वो नहीं हुआ. It is moving sideways. And now again trying to pick up. So I think if we see a breakout, we might see some 70 plus, 75 plus RS strength easily. So overall on the volume front, the base formation front, as well as the fundamental and growth story, the Mastek fits the bill. So let's see if it can break out and how the breakout volume and action is for the next 4%. That's it for today's session. Thank you for joining. See you again tomorrow at 8.